that.
I know. We are in the Bread and Puppet Museum, and these puppets are freaking huge. When they say they're giant puppets, they don't mean like they're pretty big. They mean like they are big. Like, see that one back in the corner? That's just a head. They're really cool. And more than a little creepy.
Okay.
Very creepy. See, like, you can't see this, and this is a couple getting married, and they're like maybe 10 feet tall. I don't even know what this is supposed to be.
Make sure you can come now.
I can't even get the whole thing in there. They are really, really creepy. Oh, look. There's Ben Franklin. Can't see. Maybe these things. Alright, that's enough of this giant creepy puppet stuff.